Hi and welcome back to the channel, and thank you so much for clicking into this video. So in this video, I am going to teach you how to fix Cash App session error domain 503. So make sure that you stay until the very end of this video so you won't miss any important information. Without further ado, let's get on it. So the first solution that you can do is you can check your internet connection. So internet connectivity is essential to running the Cash App without any issues. So before moving on to any other fixes, you need to ensure that your internet connection is stable and fast enough. So to check your internet speed, you can either visit fast.com or speed test. So you can choose whatever you want or you can use whatever you want. And if you find any problem without internet connectivity, try restarting your router or modem. So if that also doesn't work, then connecting to your internet service provider and asking them for better coverage will be a better option. And then next, what you can do is you can check the Cash App's server status. So sometimes Cash App faces downtime because of maintenance related work on its server and may showcase errors like 503. So it'll be surely worth checking its server status by navigating to the cache status page. So if it says everything is working, then the Cash App domain error is because of any issues at your end. If it is down, then the error may be because of that. So in case of downtime, you can wait until the authority fixes the problem as you have nothing to do with it. And then what you can do is you can also try uninstalling and reinstalling the Cash App. So if you're using an Android, first open your settings and then you'll need to navigate to the app section. And after that, open the installed app list and locate the Cash App in there. Then just tap the uninstall button to confirm your request to remove the app from your device. And then now you can open the Play Store and search for Cash App. Then you'll need to click onto the install button and wait until it is complete. And then if you're using an iOS device, you can go ahead and follow these instructions right here. So open the app drawer in your iPhone, then just locate the Cash App in there. Now press and hold the icon and then just select the remove app option to uninstall it from your device. And then you can open the App Store and search for Cash App and click onto the get button to install it in your device. And then lastly, what you can do is you can contact Cash App support. So if any of the solutions I mentioned didn't help you or don't help you to sort out the Cash App domain error 503 problem, then as a last try, what you can do is you can contact the Cash App support. So that's it for this video, and I hope this helped you. And if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit notification bell buttons so you won't miss a video. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day. Bye bye.